Students, our today topic is income and expenditure account. Income and expenditure account is account which we are maintaining in non-from-profit organization for the knowing of organization surplus or deficit. It's same like the account of profit and loss. In the profit earning organization, we are making profit and loss account, but in the non from profit organization, we are maintaining this accounts that name is income and expenditure account. The same like that in profit and loss account, two side is there. Same way in the income and expenditure account, two side. One is expenditure and second is income side. In the expenditure side, we are shows all expense which is relate for the current year and relate with the revenue. Then in income side, we are shows all income which relate with the current year and in nature of revenue. After that, if expense side is more than income side, so then in income side deficit will come. If income side more than expense side, then on the side of expense surplus will come. Now go for the next topic, feature of not from profit organization. First feature is nature of account. Of this accounts, nature is as like nominal account. I think you will know about the nominal account which is relate with the income and expenditure. Same way here we are going to present all income and expenditure, all expenditure debit and all income credit side. Next, nature of item recorded. In this account, we are only recorded revenue items, revenue income and revenue expenditure. Capital income and capital expenditure we are not going to record in this account. Okay, go for the next, opening and closing balance. In this account, we are not showing any type of opening and closing balance. Clear? Opening balance and closing balance we are not going to show in this account. That is related with the balance of cash or bank. Any type of balance we are not going to show in this account. Next, adjustment. As same like a PL account, we are showing all adjustment in this income and expenditure account, as like outstanding, prepaid, depreciation, all type of adjustment we are going to show in this account. Next, current period. In this account, we are only showing current period income and expenditure. If any income and expenditures given in the question but they are not related with the current year, we cannot show in this account. In this account, we are only showing all current period income and expenditure. Okay, clear? Again, I like to repeat these all. First topic is income and expenditure account. I think you will know. Income and expenditure account is account which we are maintaining in non from profit organization for the knowing of surplus or deficit. Okay, in expenditure side we are showing all expense, current year expense and the expense which is in nature of revenue. In income side we are showing all income, current year income and income which is in the nature of revenue. Then taking the difference of expense and income. If income side more than expense side, then in expense side surplus will come. If expense side more than income side, then income side deficit will come. Again, features: first is nature of account, second nature of item recorded, third opening and closing balance, fourth adjustment, fifth current period. Okay, thank you.